So hello guys, in this video we will learn about basic of input and output strings in Python. So what is a string? A string is a sequence of characters inside quotes. Like we can use a string for double quotes also and single quotes also. Like example, name equals to double quotes hello and city equals to in single quote Delhi. So we can see in Visual Studio Code. Let's we create a string 1.py file, then name equals to garage, and then city equals to Noida, and you can also use single quotes. Then we can see it will give similar output like print name, print city. It will showing like you can see that garage and Noida. It will give like single quote same and in double quote same. Then we can move to our next topic like adding string concatenation. So in string concatenation we will we can add strings like 1 plus 2. It will gives we can see first we create our py file. Like if we see our uh, first name, like my first name is Raj, and then um, last name you can see that Sahu. Then we can add full name, like we can create a full name. So you can add uh, first name plus last name and print is full name. You can see it will give grass sound, and you can also add some space, like you can give their space, so it will take the space and run it. Like it you can see that it is there is a space, so you can use string concatenation. And you can also like 1 and 2. It will also give 1 2 space, show space left it, and you can see 1 2 but not a space, like, but you cannot add these things. Like this will give some error because this is a integer type, this is a string type, and string plus integer not possible. Like you see string plus integer, remember these things, in string plus integer it is not possible. This is not possible, string plus integer. You have to change this into string first, then it will add. Okay, remember these things. Like you can see that strings are joined, not added numerically. Join होती है ये, added नहीं होती numerically. Like hello, e की वैल्यू hello है, then world, तो we this output will be hello world. And then grease plus h, तो a की वैल्यू है ही, तो grease ही. Important note, you cannot add string and integer directly. That I have tell you, string plus integer not possible. So you have to convert it on the string. Like we have converted str of 10, so it will 10 will be a string, so 4 plus 10 equals to 410. Then string repetition, you can use string repetition as we can see that in this, like string repeat dot py. Then you can a equals to like this is hashtag and this is 3. Then you can use like 3, so it will print as 3 times. Like you can see, first we clear this, then we will run it. You can see that it will give 333 because string will repeat itself like 3 times. Like you can give 5, so it will give 5 times. Then you can also give some hello, so will give hello 5 times. Like you can add some space to see clearly, like hello 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 hello, uh, hello hello M, hello Mo. So hello Mo, Mohil देखो, you can see hello Mo, hello Mo, hello Mo, you can see this is a string repetition. Okay, then we will go to our next topic, like length of string. We can find the length of string like len by the use of inbuilt function. This is a inbuilt function in Python. This will gives length of the string. Spaces are also counted. Remember one thing, like if you use space in our name or anything, this will also count. Then like example Greece, so len of Greece like 1 2 3 4 5 6, the length of Greece is 6, so it will give 6. So and then our next example Ramsau, so 1 2 3, then space you have to count this space 4 5 6 7 8, this will gives 8 as output. Space is equals to one character, space symbols are also count, like all things are count in string. So we can see that len dot py. So like we can see this is hello world print, you can see print of a. This is the syntax, like you can see syntax, this is the syntax, like uh, anything, like this is the len of a, it will give length. So you can count as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, it have to give 11. You can see that it will give 11. Okay, then we will go to our next topic, like taking input, like how we can take input from the user to print anything. So this is also the inbuilt function Python. So we can take input from this function, like you can see we will take, we will remove these things. So like a equals to input and print a. So see, firstly we will give input like garage sow, and it will print grass sow. Okay, you can see that. But remember one thing, if you don't specify their data types, like this input will be defaultly it gives a string type, like you can see this default defaultly gives string type. Then like you can see that type of a, it will give type, which type of a, like you can see um, garage. So it will gives a class of str, like string type. If you give like 1 2, this is numbers, but you have, that you will giving in the string type, so it will also give class str, because these also are the string. If you want to give in int type, like integer type, so you have to give int first, like so 1 2, and it will give class integer. In this you don't give these things, like it will give error, because this is string, not numerical type integer. So remember, then we can also use like float. In float you have to give decimal value, class float. You can use boolean also, boolean boolean sorry bool hota hai. So you can only give true or false, like you can see that class bool. Okay, then we will go to our next topic, like it is accessing characters of a string, like position. You can see each character has a position index. You can, if you learn previous any language, then you will know about what is index and what is position. Index start from 0, like this is Greece, So their index will be start from G is 0, I equals to 1, R 2, I 3, S 4 or H 5. Like always remember, if the length of the any string like their grease, the length of grease is 6, then the index will go to 5 because it will start from 0. So these are 3 3 6. The length will be same but the index will change. Like we can see accessing accessing.py. Like if you gave uh, hello, so like if you want to print some a of 0, it will give h h, it will give h. You can see firstly we will clear this, and you can see see it will giving h. Then if you want like 4, so it have to give 1 2 3 4, 0 1 2 3 4, so it have to give o. You can see it will give o. Like if you want like 5, it will give error, some producing error because index 5 is not, it is out of range. Like um, and this is hello. Like their index is 0, their index is 1, their index is 2, their index is 3, their index is 4, 0 1 2 3 4. Like hello ka 0. Always remember their length will be equals to len of a minus 1. This will be the loop will be run their place. Okay, so remember these things. So summary of this video will be index always start from 0. Remember these things. Each position is called index. You can access any character using string index, like index. In this point you have to put a value, and in this point you have to write any variable. Okay, in this video we will learn about string. uh, we have learned about string text inside quotes plus concatenation, repetition, length of string input. Okay, so subscribe my channel and follow for more videos, and subscribe for more videos.